Your Honor?
Sure, go ahead.
Please introduce yourself to the jury and spell your last name for the record.
Good afternoon. My name is Becca Conroy. That's C-O-N-R-O-Y.
Miss Conroy, where are you from?
Well, I'm originally from Liverpool in England, which is just south of Scotland. Came with the Beatles, if you might know them. After there, well, I basically moved from capital to capital, Paris, Milan, Budapest. I went everywhere really. But I wanted to discover what the American dream was, so I came here by myself.
Now that you're here, Miss Conroy, what is it you do for a living?
Well, it wasn't long after I arrived that I was fortunate enough to become the owner of my own business, Rules Rivertown, which is an amusement park. We have other competitors around, such as Rock the World and Disney World.
Miss Conroy, you just told us that one of your competitors is Rock the World. Them being your competitor, would that affect your testimony here in court today in any way?
Objection, Your Honor. Improper bolstering of the witness.
I'm going to overrule it.
Ms. Conroy, you told us Rock the World was one of your competitors. Would that affect your testimony here in court today?
Absolutely not, no. I was subpoenaed to come here today. That's why I'm here today, just to tell what I know. I mean, I don't like Longstreet nor Rock the World, but I have done business with them in the past, and I will continue to do business with them in the future.
Now, Ms. Conroy, one of the things I want to talk to you about is a person named Cameron Poole. Do you know who that is?
I thought I knew who Cameron was. Cameron was a former employee of mine, however I had to fire him a few years ago.
Why so?
Cameron, he was a nice guy, however he was a bit misguided. He often made poor decisions, and he had a few problems with one of my other employees, Rory Shelton, our park mascot.
Objection, Your Honor. Improper character is that evidence.
May I respond?
You may.
At this point, there's no character evidence even being offered, Your Honor.
Your Honor, may I be heard?
Yes.
This witness just testified that Cameron Poole was rash, didn't make good decisions. It's improper character. They're using that past acquaintance of Miss Conroy to suggest that Mr. Poole acted that way in today's case. It's the textbook definition of improper character under 404A.
May I respond to that, Your Honor?
Briefly.
We're not using this to show that Cameron Poole acted rash as opposed to the counsel said, or that he did anything in this case. Both parties, in this case, agreed that Cameron Poole, he robbed the park and he was stealing throughout the summer. So that's not what we're using this evidence to show, Your Honor.
Your Honor, may I be heard briefly?
Okay, very briefly.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, both parties agreed Cameron Poole robbed Rock the World, but we differ on why that was. It's the prosecution's contention that it's because he was in a plot with Miss Whitney Bowman. For them to then suggest that it would be because he's rash, as this line of questioning does, it's improper character.
May I respond to that, Your Honor?
No, I'm going to overrule the objection.
Yes, Your Honor. Now, you told us you fired Cameron Poole from your apartment. You mentioned some problems he had with Roy Shelton. Is that why you fired him?
Actually, it wasn't. I ended up firing Cameron Poole because he was stealing from me.
How so?
Well, he used to work at the Games Toss. It's like an amusement area in Rules Rivertown. And I noticed that money began disappearing. He was stealing.
What did you do once you realized Cameron Poole was stealing from you?
I immediately withdrew him from that position and put somebody, one of my other employees who I trusted, in that place, who was Whitney Bowman.
After you removed Cameron Poole from that position, you placed Ms. Bowman there. Did money continue to come up stealing, missing?
No, actually, not at first. It was fine. All our numbers went back to normal. However, I later discovered when Whitney Bowman was going on her breaks, Cameron was coming back and began stealing again.
And what did you do at that point?
Well, so that's when I eventually fired him.
All right. Now, after you fired Cameron Poole, was that the last time you saw him?
No, it wasn't. I saw him again.
When was this?
It was the summer of 2012.
What happened when you saw Cameron Poole?
I was going to Rock the World on that day, and I went to the ticket booth to pay for my admission wristband. And it was then that I noticed that Cameron Poole was actually the ticket booth operator.
Now, as you went to purchase your wristband from Cameron Poole, I'd like you to explain to the jury, walk them through what happened.
Well, I approached the ticket booth, and I wanted the World Tour wristband, which is supposed to be the best experience at Rock the World. I handed over $35 to Cameron
And when you gave him your money, could you see what Cameron Poole did with it?
Yes, I could. He took the $20 bill and put it in the register. However, the three $5 bills that made it $15, he placed under the register, which is quite unusual because that's normally where you keep large bills.
Objection, Your Honor. Motion to strike the latter portion of the answer respectfully.
May I respond, Your Honor?
Can you repeat the last part of what you said?
Yes, certainly. I said he put three $5 bills underneath, which is unusual because it's normally where the larger bills go.
Your Honor, may I be heard?
No, I'm gonna overrule the objection.
Now, Tyler, I want to talk to you, I'm sorry, Ms. Conway. I want to talk to you about one of the rides at Rockville known as the Tunnel of Terror. Are you familiar with that ride?
Actually, yes, I am familiar with that ride. That ride used to be owned by me. However, it was called the Tunnel of Love when I owned it. But then I sold it to Longstreet in 2008.
Are you also familiar with the control panel for the Tunnel of Terror?
Yes, of course.
Your Honor, may I approach opposing counsel with Ms. A?
Yes.
May I approach the witness as well?
You may.
Ms. Conway, do you recognize what I just handed?
Yes, I do. This is the control panel for the Tunnel of Terror.
This is also a larger copy of that control panel. Please explain to the jury, how is it you operate this ride?
Well, you push the green button to start the ride and the red button to stop it.
Now, what is this blue lever here in the right-hand corner?
Oh, that's the maintenance lever. That should only be pulled by maintenance workers. You see, that puts the ride in blackout mode, which means all the lights switch off. However, the ride itself keeps moving.
Ms. Conroy, a moment ago you told us that you sold this ride, you got rid of it, you gave it to Rockville. Why so?
Well, the control panel itself is very dated and is very old, and it began to cause a few problems for my employees, so I immediately got rid of it.
What sort of problems was this control panel causing for your employees?
Well, on a couple of occasions, my employees have mistakenly flipped the lever.
Objection, Your Honor. Speculation.
I'm gonna sustain that.
Motion to strike.
Obstruction.
Ms. Conroy, I'd like you to tell us what happened when your operators were using this control panel.
Well, they put the ride into blackout mode by flipping the maintenance lever, not pushing the stop button.
Did you inform your employees, and did they know that they weren't supposed to do that?
Oh, yes, they knew that they weren't supposed to do it, but it happened.
Objection,
How-
Your Honor. Speculation, or lack of foundation, I suppose. May I be heard?
You may.
Your Honor, he asked if she told her employees that they weren't supposed to do that. She only said that they knew they were. It didn't answer the question, and it didn't actually establish that they do know that they're not supposed to do
May I respond to that, Your Honor?
No, I'm gonna overrule the objection.
You were explaining to us the problems this control panel caused for your employees. Please continue.
Yeah, like I stated, because it is old and it's dated, my workers have put the ride into blackout mode by flipping the maintenance lever.
How often was that happening?
It happened on 2 occasions, but I immediately sold the ride because I didn't want it to happen again. It was extremely dangerous.
When that was happening, were your employees, were they being shot at?
Absolutely not. There are no guns at Real Rivertown.
When that was happening, did your employees have people running inside the tracks of the ride?
No, sir.
When they were doing that, was there any emergency situation going on at all?
No, there wasn't.
And when you saw this control panel, when was it?
I saw that at Rockdale when I went there on August 29th.
Now, when you saw the control panel, did it look the exact same as when you owned it?
Unfortunately, yes, it was the exact same. Nothing has been changed.
Thank you, Ms. Conroy. Your Honor, at this time, I have no further